The island is calling, and it's ready to show you something. Something that will always be worth remembering. Surrounded by the ocean, coming here is a true vacation. Its remote location creates a unique tourist attraction. No matter where you go, every part of this island will put on show. So explore every inch of its seashore and allow your mind and body to restore. Don't worry, the island is ready. Just prepare your adventurous soul and let the good times roll. For the thrill seekers, your journey has begun. Because on this island, there's a wave for everyone. It's easy to get along with the community because hospitality is a part of their identity. The people live in harmony with nature and preserve the richness of their culture. It is a treasure for those who are looking for cultural adventure. Here, trying a variety of fresh seafood is necessary. No matter how it's served, the taste will always be extraordinary. From the white sand beach to the coconut trees, all burdens are released. And from the morning light to twilight's gleam, every moment here feels like a dream. In this paradise, you found peace and fun. Forever, this island will always be the one. Because deep in your heart, you know that Simeulue, Aceh